Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kate, and actually I'm like not used to film in this lighting. It's like literally my chandelier, not sunshine or what. What else you got me? Not natural lighting, because it's like 4 p.m. and it's so dark, so that's you would not be able to see me. It's insane. And today I'm very excited. I think it will be like a kind of vlog video, because I really want to open this order vessel, but also it's not that big, and I think I'll show you some bits and pieces afterwards. Then, so here we have it, and let's open it up. I have 2 meats. I'll try them on, obviously, and 2 small pieces. I don't remember actually what. I have these cute festive chuchi. Let's open it. Here it is, and let's put oh my gosh, I'm leaving. Oh my god. Something from ASOS. What is it? So, is it? Oh, I think it's a ring set. ASOS hoop earring pack with charms. You may notice that I have my ears okay. I have my ears pierced recently, but they are not like healed yet, so I can't wear other earrings, only these ones. And here we have this set. It's not a feminine cute thing. I saw it in summer, and this is what inspired me to have my ears pierced. I was so excited about this one. I wanted to wear such things on my ears. Let me show you. Here we have them, all these little heads. I really like this. It's so cute. My mom will not understand me, but why? Yeah, that's so. Yeah, this set and 2 knits, and they are both actually from Monkey. This one I'm like, girl, yes. What's the size? S, and it's this beautiful woman of the body unit. It's actually so soft. I very like it. I very like the color, the material, and I'm going to try it on. It's obviously very baggy because it's an S size, and look at the shoulder line. So here how it looks on me. It's very oversized. Like, look at this. It's a freaking dress. But the sleeves are okay, obviously, very wide, but I mean the length of sleeves. And I think I'm gonna wear it tucking it in, because otherwise it's too big. Maybe like this, but I think it's better to do it on the back also. Something like this, I believe. Because otherwise it's too big, obviously. But it's a little bit itchy, or колется. I have this beautiful thing on my head, and now I'm gonna try the other one. And the next one, I love to do it so much. Oh, it's also huge. I'm not sure. It looks very huge. Like also the shoulder line is here. It has some woolen in there, in it, and that's why I bought it. I was choosing between two options, this one and the other one, which is also a striped one, but it doesn't have any woolen in it, but it was more expensive, and I was like, girl, woolen is better than your freaking polyester, so I think it's a better option. Where's the... I can't find... Oh, here it is. It has... what it has? 90% acrylic and 10% mohair. Mohair? And this one has what? Dry flat, do not iron or decoration use melted in 62% acrylic. But what's the actual spec? 28% polyamide, 8% of wool, and 2% of elastan. So this one also has wool in it, and I'm going to try them on and show. So this is the second sweater, and it's also a freaking tunic, a freaking mini dress. I haven't ordered something sweaters from Monkey before, and I don't know, I ordered two things in S sizes, and I didn't think that this one would be this oversized. Maybe they have wrong sizing, or both sweaters that I bought are that oversized. But looks like this, and I think I'll tuck it in also, because I don't like this lunchy thing. This one actually I may leave like this. But I think this one is a little bit more difficult to wear than the other one, because this one may look like cheap in a bed. Let me do it like this. This one may look like unstylish, like cheap in a bad way, like you bought it in some, I don't know. Yeah, this thing may look bad in some looks, but I'll try to do my best. So, good morning everyone. I'm so sleepy. I wanted to talk to you about 2 new things and I'm very excited about them. The first one is my pet TRY. It's a nourishing cream, I would say. It's getting colder and colder outside, and my skin is very dry, so I decided to try this one. I liked this one from Clinique. It was, I don't remember the name, but it was like yellowish cream. It was so nice, but they don't have it in store right now, so I decided to, oh my god, I don't look good at all, try this one. I would say it was rather oily, but I think that shows that it's real nourishing cream. And also I have this shampoo from John Frieda, Go Blonde or Sheer Blonde. I decided to try it because I'm interested whether it could work or not on my hair. Maybe they are too dark for it. As you can see, they are like dark blonde. But who knows? I've used it like 4 times, I think, and I can't say that anything has happened. I'm scared to use it in case I'll wash my hair once and then I go like total blondie, and yeah, it will be, in case it would, my hair become too fair, like whitish color, but I don't know, maybe it does something. But I think I'll use it a few more times. I don't think that I could use it for a month because I'm scared. But it makes hair very like soft and shiny, so even without this like blondie thing, this shampoo is a good one, I believe. Hello everyone, again. It's 15:20 in the evening and I'm so tired. I've made my favorite drink of all times. It's a green tea with this thing. It's called, doesn't have anything in it.
Sea buckthorn.
I don't know how it's called. Sea buckthorn for a drink. It's very concentrated, so you should add water to it. Add it to water and here you have like nice drink, and what I like to do is to add this thing to my green tea and live my life. This week I'm very nervous because it seems to me that my eyesight is getting worse. I see everything not that clear, and I'm very like freaked out about it, and I think I'm going to go to clinic to see a doctor because really I'm freaked out. And today I thought that the special with pretty things is coming, and I will be able to show you all of them, but it seems to me now that it's not coming today. And I have another very pretty parcel with a lot of things for New Year. We, as you know, we don't celebrate Christmas in Russia, we celebrate New Year, so all these advent calendars and these things with numbers from 1 to 24 like don't work for us, because we have our celebration, the main celebration at 31st of December, not 24th of December. So yeah, it's very sad. Last year I had a advent calendar from NYX, and they have 24 days. There were 24 days, 24 gifts, and it was like rather sad for me, because I was like, I mean, it's not fair. We don't have our particular advent calendars in Russia, and so yeah, we have to buy advent calendars with 24 days in them. So yeah, that's it for this video, I believe, and I'll open these two puzzles in the following video. So I hope you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you soon, I hope. And I hope I won't go blind.